My name is John Leibrand. I work for the Wino Group, also known as Slack Incorporated. And my title is the Manager of Training and Application Support. And we've been using RSuite, well, we're a new customer again to RSuite. So recently, we started in March of this year, of 2016, so 6 months on our second visit to RSuite. Before that, I believe we were a customer for 3 or 4 years. Our main goal was the quick delivery of our XML journal content to our aggregators and a quick turnaround to our website. We don't do the editing yet in RSuite, but it was to get it out to the aggregators, get it out to the aggregators quickly, and be able to re-deliver that content as we bring on new aggregators in a quick, efficient manner. We, right now, don't, as I said, originally edit the XML or create the XML. We have that done outside the company, and we have two kinds of XML content: a online first, and then a print version of that article. And we would have this content transformed from our PDFs into XML by an outside vendor, and then when the content was prepared a second time for print, we would resend that same PDF and they would retranslate it to XML, obviously charging us a second time for virtually the same content. Now with RSuite, we have the ability to have that content in a repository when it comes through the first time, and then make those minor edits ourselves using RSuite, checking out the content, doing the versioning, so we don't have to send it off to a vendor, pay for it to be transformed when there's only 3 metadata tags changing. Yeah, one of the surprising outcomes, and it worked out very well for us, was in our previous scenarios, when we would deliver content, if we had an error in the XML, and I'm not talking about a metadata error, but there was, a DOI was reused, a title was wrong, an author's name was spelled wrong. And we would deliver this out to our aggregators, and then the aggregators would tell us, oh, you spelled this author's name wrong. And then we had to go back and correct the XML and re-deliver to all of our aggregators, which became something of an ordeal. Now, with the way we have this in RSuite and the way the workflows work, we can check the XML first before we're delivering it, so we're not chasing our tail, so to speak, when we deliver this content to our aggregators. Our plans in the next 3 to 5 years, our immediate plans are more editing of the XML, being able to do deeper edits, and with 5 coming for us anyway, coming soon, using the utility form to be able to make those edits and restrict those edits to those metadata fields that we want editors to make changes to. That's going to be a big change. We'd like to see our news group come in and start using some of the workflows. And again, with the quick task workflows and some of that new stuff coming with 5, we see a use case for that as well, for an article life cycle for our news department.